All right, guys. So week 2 is pretty straightforward. As far as flashcards and study guides, you are going to pretty much just go over everything again that we did the previous week. Start from institutions and policy processes, and you're just going to do a replay of last week. Now, I didn't say this in the first video. If you want to break up the flashcards, that's fine too. I had it to where you were going through all the flashcards and you were going through the entire study guide in 1 week. If that's too much for you, then break it up. All right. Instead of doing 5 pages a day in the study guide, do 2 or 3 pages a day. And instead of doing 1 section a day for flashcards, and what I mean is, so this is the section. Instead of doing a whole section, just do 2 subsections for 1 day. So if Monday you just want to do presidency and bureaucracy, that's fine. And then the next day you just want to do Congress, that's fine. However it works for you. Just make sure you do it. That's the most important thing. So I'm just going to go over the required reading for week 2, and that'll be it. Monday, political parties. All right, that is chapters 9.2 and 9.3 in your OpenStax textbook. Tuesday is interest groups, chapters 10.1. Wednesday is elections, 7.3. And public opinion, 6.1 and 6.3. Thursday, for your required reading, we have federalism, chapter 3.2, separation of powers, 2.3. And this paragraph here in particular, separation of powers and checks and balances, is the paragraph that I want you to read for 2.3. And then Friday, we have theories of democracy, chapters 1.3. Of course, use the weekend to review. If you put in mad hours during the week and you want to just chill on the weekend, that's fine too. Give your brain a break. Ultimately, what I want for you to do is, like I said before, and I'll just keep saying this, I want you to have a solid plan. One of the biggest things that I have come across over the years is people feeling like they just don't know where to start, and they're super overwhelmed with trying to organize all of this information. You're being tested on an entire college course worth of material. It can be pretty hectic to try and figure out exactly what you need to study. So this is designed to help you do just that. All right, keep your information organized, get your starting point, get you that passing score. Guys, if you need help with anything, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can shoot me a text or an email. It does not matter. I will respond and I will get you the help that you need.